Our 2013 Community Spotlight finalists have gone above and beyond to give back to our community. They make San Diego a better place for all of us to live, work, and play. Stephen Haynes founded Athletes for Education to match current and retired athletes with at-risk youth to help them succeed in life. Rudy Chappé established an interactive and educational program for children, teachers, and families while aboard the USS Midway. Former San Diego Charger Quentin Jammer empowers disadvantaged youth to reach their highest potential with the Jammer Family Foundation. Jerry D'Angelo was instrumental in growing the Comebackers Neuro Club to provide education and support for stroke survivors and other neurological impairments. Jill McManigal, co-founder of Kids for Peace, which provides a platform for young people to engage in socially conscious leadership. Billy Moore carries on his father Archie Moore's legacy with the ABC Youth Foundation, which combines boxing lessons and educational support to underprivileged children. Ahmed Saheed founded Somali Family Service of San Diego to provide free support services to immigrant refugee families. Michelle Lynn began the Surviving Spouse Support Group to bridge the gap between civilian and military life for widows and widowers and their families. Jean Cole had a crucial role in founding and is now executive director of Operation Hope, providing shelter and hope to homeless families in the North County. Amy Mullins Hill donates her time to organizations that serve special needs and autistic children and is the founder of Therapy Hair Salon, providing support to this same population. If the world had more people like our Community Spotlight finalists, it would be a much better place to live. We thank them for all they do, working hard to improve the lives of others. Congratulations to the 2013 Community Spotlight finalists.